we have a bunch of sales reps and they're grouped into different groups A, B, C, but the only way we have this information is this sort of hyphen space A. Now, we could, obviously, if we wanted to do some data cleaning, we could split this up and create another column that has the group. But what if we just want to sum up all of the hyphen A's or hyphen B's, or we're looking for some other kind of internal word inside of this A column, and we want to sum up all of those sales. I'm going to show you in this video. We're going to do equals SUMIFS for this particular case because, I like to do SUMIFS because it just feels like a better syntax. SUMIF has a different syntax here. SUMIFS, exactly same result, but you're going to have a nicer syntax. The sum range, where are we looking for the totals that we're going to add up? Well, we'll select the B column in this case. Our criteria range, where are we looking to search in for this text? That's going to be the A column in this case. Your case might be a little different. Doesn't matter. SUMIFS is going to be able to give you that information right away, right here in this help. Now, the criteria. We could do, in quotes, A, and you can see there is no result. We're going to add one special character, an asterisk, right inside of the quotes, not outside of them, but inside. And what this is telling our SUMIFS and our formula is it's a wildcard. It's saying anything before this is fine. And right away, even before we hit enter, you can see that there is a total. It's not 0. So we're on the right track. And we can copy and paste this, and it's going to be the exact same word here. And we can change this. And we can change this as well. We can copy and paste it again. And we have our results. And you can tell this is correct because we can look over here and say, okay, yeah, that's correct. Or we can highlight and use command and say, here's all the A's. That sum is 2139, 2139. It is correct. Awesome. I want to show you one extra little thing is what if we wanted to use this A, but as the word in D? So we know it's a hyphen, space, but then this letter A. We can do ampersand and then just combine it with this D2. So that ampersand sort of says, stick these together. And now we don't need to go in and edit each individual thing. Our fuzzy search is going to work. Let's even delete that hyphen and see if that's the same. And it's the same because the last letter is the group here. If we have Frida, that's going to be there. See, so this group is just adding here. But we can add a hyphen and a space, and it's correct, right? So hopefully this SUMIF fuzzy search matching based on some text inside of the cell helps you out a lot. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.